Morning, guys. This is Ponniah. Welcome to another edition of A Purpose to Life. So, I recently got this old grain scale from a guy in London, Ontario, and I was contemplating what I was going to do with it, and I have decided to convert this into a coffee table. So please watch out for the rest of the videos as I try to restore. In case you need to restore some item, don't forget to wear your goggles, your face mask or dust mask, and the set of gloves. Especially if you are going to remove rust and so on, it's going to blow in your face. The last thing you want is to sit and inhale that, okay? Hi guys, thanks for watching that restoration of a 1947 National Manufacturing Weighing Scale or grain weighing scale converted into a coffee table. I like the end product of it, and it matches with the rest of the decor, and that's about it. Happy Canada Day, and I must say I'm not only a proud Canadian citizen, but I am a privileged Canadian citizen. On that note, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give your likes and comments. Bye for now.